Fans of Elementor, rejoice because we've made customizing your WPForms contact forms a whole lot easier. I'm Daisy with WPForms, and today I am super excited to talk about our newest feature update, Form Themes for Elementor. You'll now be able to use our Form Themes feature to further customize your WPForms contact forms when building your pages in Elementor. After you add a WPForms block to your page and select a form, you can click on the block and click on the Style tab to find the new form theme settings. From here, you can select from any of the available themes, which range from simple color changes to adding beautiful backgrounds, customized border shapes, and more to your contact form. You can choose a pre-built theme and customize it even further by using the rest of the styling tabs, like field styles, label styles, button styles, and more. And when you're done, you can save your newly created theme to use again and again in the future. This way, you can easily create powerful but beautifully customized contact forms with your favorite page builder and without any third-party plugins or complicated custom code. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. You can also join our WPForms VIP Circle group on Facebook to learn even more tips and tricks, as well as be part of the growing WPForms community. If you need any extra help, please visit our contact page and reach out to one of our trusted advisors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.